Hello! Today I have another batch of selected life hacks to share with you, starting with a trick that really impressed me. Have leftover Nutella? Here's how to turn it into super delicious ice cream. All you need is cream and a milk frother. First, heat the cream and add it to the leftover Nutella. Then whisk everything until smooth with a milk frother. And that's it. Freeze the mixture overnight and you'll have a delightful treat. If you buy tomato paste in large jars to save money as I do, you probably know it starts to mold if you don't use it all. To avoid this, I freeze the paste in an ice cube tray. When I need tomato paste, I simply take out the required number of cubes and leave the rest in the freezer. Here's a fantastic breakfast hack. Prepare pancake batter in the evening and store it in an empty ketchup bottle. This way, for the next 3 mornings, you'll have an easy breakfast ready to go. Just store it in the fridge. And now let me show you a straightforward way to poach an egg using a strainer. Do you need to defrost meat quickly? Here's the trick. Take a bowl, fill it with water, add salt and stir. Immerse the meat in the water. In just about 12 to 15 minutes, your meat will be defrosted and ready to cook. To peel onions effortlessly, place them in a bowl and pour boiling water over them for a few minutes. This softens the husks, making them easier to peel and allowing the rings to separate more easily after slicing. To eliminate unpleasant odors from the refrigerator, take a dishwashing sponge. Place it in a container, add water and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Leave the sponge in the fridge for a few hours, and the unpleasant odors will disappear. The same dishwashing sponge also works for cleaning a dirty microwave. Soak the sponge in water and heat the microwave for 30 seconds. The steam will make it easy to clean the walls without any extra cleaning agents. Here's a handy trick to make a knife sharpener from an ordinary clothespin, sandpaper and superglue. Cut a piece of sandpaper to fit each side of the clothespin. Stick sandpaper on the clothespin and your DIY knife sharpener is ready to go. The knife has become sharp, hence the life hack has worked. Next, let's use an ordinary ice cube tray to make cool party appetizers. Fill the tray slots with minced meat. Insert a piece of cheese and freeze. Then add breaded butter and fry for a few minutes to create your delicious appetizers. The secret to perfect juiciness in cutlets? Ice cube trays again. Fill them with broth and freeze. Then, while frying the cutlets, place a broth cube in the middle of each one for maximum juiciness. If you have a pizza cutter, you'll know it's great for slicing many different types of food, not just pizza. It is really faster than cutting with a knife. Surprised? This is a very versatile tool. Sushi lovers, I'm going to show you a quick and original wrapping method next. Simply take the wrap, put the fish, avocado, cream cheese and rice, and roll it up. If you're tired of cheese getting moldy, here's the right way to store it. Firstly, Wrap the cheese in parchment paper. Then place it in a separate container where a special microclimate will be created. This method ensures the cheese stays fresh and mold-free for a longer period. And thank you for watching! If you like the video, please share it on your social media.